Right here is Norman, and he have never flown an RC helicopter before, and he was not willing to try it, but I said, hey, nothing goes wrong, don't worry about it. Just fly the Yuxiang F06. It's very, very beginner friendly, easy to fly, and he's able to handle it as well. So, how does it handle?
Nice.
Nice and easy to fly, right?
Oh, very easy to fly. Goof-proof. Goof-proof.
Goof-proof, yeah, it is.
Yeah, kind of just take your fingers off. See where it is.
It's holding its altitude even at, holding its position even at that altitude. That is surprising for an optical flow camera that small on its belly, you know. There you go. That was a beginner's turn.
Nice.
So, take off. There you go. Can you turn the head around? All right, take it away. So now, Arish is flying. Of course, he has experience flying other Yuxiang helicopters as well. But seeing how Norman, complete beginner, was able to fly it, you know how beginner friendly this helicopter is. Pick up more speed. Come on, baby. Yeah. Good, beautiful turn. Yeah, beautiful turn. If you want more speed, you have to do it manual, but you're not ready for it, is it? Can you handle? I can give you manual.
I don't think so.
Give it a try. Okay?
If it crash?
Okay, stop here. It will not crash, but it's here. Alright, now it's manual. Now go around, it will have more speed. Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. Yes. Up, up. Yes, go forward now. Up, up, up. Yeah. Alright. You can handle, but slow down, slow down. Yes, slow down. Now it will pick up more speed. Slow down. There you go. Send your beginner mode immediately if you make mistake. Come forward. Don't go close to the auto gyro. Superb. Go like this. So you should fly it around yourself, like in front of you, but take equal distance left and right, okay? Come on. Easy to fly? Right? What do you feel?
So easy.
So easy to fly, right? Okay. Nice job. Very good job. Battery is low, so start landing. Awesome. Now, take it up, change the batteries.